ScoreStream crowdsources sports data with emphasis on scores, photos, chat. We basically have a consumer-facing mobile app that users can use to easily update scores from games that they're attending, upload photos, chat with friends. We also have algorithms that use natural language processing to mine social media for more scores, and then we have a series of major media partners that are using our CMS to enter scores as well. The result is that we have virtually every single high school sports score in the country live as it happens, and we're very unique in that respect. We then take those scores and syndicate them out to major media like Gannett, Tribune, Sinclair, Hearst, who publish live high school scoreboards on their websites. And then we have an API that can support their on-air tickers and also their mobile application. So we're pretty unique in that there really isn't any live coverage of high school sports in the US until now.
Typically, online video is represented by a single image, one frame, and a play button. You press it and it starts playing the video in line. And what we do is we take the video and we analyze it. We use an algorithm. We look at color, motion, image similarity, and clip duration. And we pull out all the relevant images from within the video. And we use that to generate a pictorial summary, a reverse storyboard of the entire video. You now have a rich visual representation of the entire video. And from any of the frames within that videogram, you can click and begin consuming the video. Once you're in the video, we present a carousel. You can navigate through and easily jump to any part of the video back and forth that you would like to sample. Also, you can see comments streaming by depending on the scene that you're looking at. And if you go to write a comment, you'll be attaching it to the scene that you're looking at. Also, because now you've taken the standard space that used to be a single image and you've changed this into a videogram, any of the frames can also be replaced with an ad. So it becomes a very unobtrusive way to introduce ads to the consumer. You can have a videogram either in a paid mode or in a free mode. In the paid mode, we charge a creation fee, which is $25 or less. It's a one-time fee. And then we have a usage fee, which is roughly $1 or less for every 1,000 views or every 1,000 showings of the videogram. You can take the videogram at any time and switch it from paid to free and free to paid. And when it's in free mode, instead of you monetizing it, we'll monetize and share the revenue back to you.
What Stringer does is allows our customers to source footage of anything, anywhere in 60 minutes. Basically, they can drop a pin, give their deadline, give the details of the shoot, hit the submit button, and then what happens is that request goes out to videographers who are nearby. Those videographers, in turn, fulfill the request, upload their clips, and the customers on the other side view them, take a look at the ones they like, hit download, those are the ones they pay for, and the videographers get paid the next business day. We're live in 10 markets. We have roughly 5,000 videographers in the US who are responding to requests every day, and then some major media partners that are using us to get relevant footage fast. I mean, anywhere from weather to breaking news to community events, it really runs the gamut. Going forward, it won't just be editorial coverage that Stringer will provide. We will start to work with other kinds of media partners that are looking for footage, whether it be even an animation application, advertising application, real estate application. So the opportunities for videographers to really make money with Stringer will really grow over the coming year. We act as the intermediary, but what we do is show the name and phone number of the videographers who submit the content. So if the purchasing company, if our customers want to get a hold of videographers, that information is right at their fingertips. Some things are easier to get, other things are harder to get, but in general, it's anywhere from, at the low end, $30 that we pay out up to about $100 for a clip of video to our videographers.
So Videolicious is an automatic video creation platform. It's almost like the PowerPoint of video or the Microsoft Word of video. We feel like we could be a solution that anybody in the working world could use to create a video for marketing, sales, communication, training, or anything. People get up and running with it really quickly, even people that are not traditionally video creation people. Super easy to learn, super fast. But in our deployments, we do also provide a lot of video literacy training because, there's a whole craft and art to video storytelling that goes beyond the Videolicious software. So we help people with that too. You're always gonna be able to make something super polished with traditional production. But if you want to do, let's say, a social media marketing video that you post while the event's still going on, that you make in 5 minutes, really good for time-sensitive type situations like that. There is an enterprise license. It includes unlimited employees for an organization, unlimited videos, and a lot of training. We actually do have a program for universities. We have over 30 universities actually utilizing Videolicious in the classroom. A lot of the biggest journalism schools and others, and it's been really great to get involved with education.
What we do at Tagboard is we bring together social media content into one place so that community managers, producers, and talent can pick the best content, then put it on live display. TV stations, sporting teams, and brands utilize Tagboard because all of their community are creating content online, whether it's on Twitter, Facebook, Vine, Instagram, Google+, or Flickr. They are creating stuff that these TV stations, sporting teams, and brands can then have a look at. They can pick the best content and then display the best content to their fans and viewers. And they can display it on their website. They could display it on the television screen, so lower thirds and full screen graphics as well, or maybe in the sporting stadiums. So for example, the 49ers are a client, and when you go to the sporting stadium, you can tweet a picture of yourself and then see it up on the screen. And it's like a fan cam, but you actually get to control yourself going up there. And we have different levels. There is a free service where you can just come and search different hashtags and you can just see what's going on online. Anyone can do that. So maybe a viewer watching a TV show and you want to participate in the hashtag conversation, you can go to tagboard.com and you can watch that hashtag for free. Our enterprise level is the next step up, and that's for people like the sporting teams or the TV stations or the brands where they want to create a story from all this content coming in, and then they want to display it as well. So there's a monthly fee for those, or for live events, it's the one-time live event fee as well.
Quicker is a mobile delivery network. We work with mobile app owners to help them improve the quality of delivery across mobile broadband. So one of the big problems in mobile broadband is that the bandwidth varies tremendously. And that becomes a real problem when you're trying to deliver something really demanding like video or streaming audio. And so we have a protocol that allows us to get the absolute best performance out of the network at any given point in time. And so the app owner is able to make sure that the app gets the absolute best performance and the best quality of experience for their users by use of the protocol. We deliver it to them as a service, so it's very simple for them to use. The best way to think about it is how much it costs per monthly average user. So it's in literally a couple of pennies per month per MAU. So that's a scalable model. So it's really based on usage patterns. It really doesn't matter about the scale. So we go from the very small to the very large mobile app. Right now we've got about 80 different apps running on our network. We just came out of our beta officially on March 30th. So a lot of companies are finishing up their testing, figuring out what they actually need to accelerate, because we don't want to accelerate things that they don't need to accelerate. And everybody from household brand names, large companies, down to very, very small startups. So all of them benefit from the technology because they all share a common problem. Mobile data traffic is expected to grow by about a 57% compound annual growth rate, which is just phenomenal when you think about the base it's already starting at. So we would expect lots more transactions to be occurring, lots more content being served on the mobile devices. And so it gives us a clear vision of what that opportunity looks like. And as the world becomes more mobile first, we think people will need this kind of service just to be able to deliver it cost effectively across the mobile infrastructure.